Hello students, let's solve some more examples on change the order of integration. So the example is change the order of the integration 1 to 2 0 to log x f of xy dy dx. So here integration is with respect to y first and then with respect to x. We have to reverse it, so accordingly these limits will reverse. So let I is equal to this given integral the region of integration is bounded by the curves. Which curves? Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to log x, then x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, now let us plot this graph. Y is equal to 0 means it is y is equal to 0 means x axis. Okay, then this is y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Suppose here is 1 somewhere, so x is equal to 1, x axis x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2. Suppose it is 2, then this line is x is equal to 2, this line is x is equal to 1, and then graph of log x, y is equal to log x. If x is 1, log 1 is 0. Okay, and we know this graph is, now where it passes, we know this graph is of this type. Okay, y is equal to log x, this is the graph of it. Now which is this point? X is equal to 2, and this graph is y is equal to log x, and this graph is x is equal to 2. So what will be this point? X is equal to 2, so this point will be this point. It is x is what? This point will be x is 2 and y is log 2, because here x is 2, so this graph will be 2 y2. Okay, this is our, this region is our region for integration. Now in given examples, dy is first and then dx. We have to take dx first, so we will take a strip parallel to x axis. Okay, so next, in order to change order of integration, we draw strip parallel to x axis. Okay, we draw strip parallel to x axis. Therefore limits of x, what are limits of x? Lower limit of x, x touches it to, now y is equal to log x means x is equal to, it will be e raised to y. So this strip touches left hand side to this curve, and this equation is x is equal to e raised to y, and this strip touches here, x is equal to 2, so upper limit is 2. Okay, and limits of y, what are limits of y? Now y varies from this to this. At this, what is value of y? Y is 0, and at upper, at this point, what is value of y? Y is log 2. Okay, therefore we will write, therefore the given integral can be written as I is equal to double integration f of xy, in given dy first, dx later. We have to reverse it, dx dy. X varies from e raised to y to 2. Okay, y varies from 0 to log 2. Okay, this is our answer. Now next example. Now next we have to change the order of integration and also we have to solve it. So the next example is evaluate the integration 0 to 1 integration 3y to 3 e raised to x square dx dy by reversing the order of integration. We have to solve this by reversing order of integration. First we have to reverse it. So let I is equal to 0 to 1, 3y to 3, e raised to x square dx dy. Okay. So in this case the region of integration D is what is region? X is equal to 3y, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Now we will plot the graph. How the graph will be? X is equal to 3y, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 means x-axis, y is equal to 1. So let us consider this is 1. Okay, consider this point is 1. So this line is y is equal to 1. Okay, this line is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, 1 2 3. Suppose this point is 3. So this line is x is equal to 3 and then x is equal to 3y. So its graph will be xy. When y is 0, x will be 0. When y 1, x 3. When y minus 1, x is minus 3. Means points are 0 0, then 3 1 and then minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 somewhere between here. Okay, minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. So we will join these points. This is a straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. So what is our region of integration? So region of integration is this region. Okay, this is boundary. Okay, so that is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3y. Okay, this is our region of integration, this part. Okay, now what will be this point of intersection of what? Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and this straight line, that is x is equal to 3y. So from this what will be x? X will be 3. If x is 3 then y will be 1. So this point will be 3 1 and this point of intersection is 0 0. Now in given integral dx is first and we have to reverse it. Means what? We will take y first. We want to take y first, so we will take strip parallel to y axis. Okay, so in order to change the order of integration, draw strip parallel to y-axis. Okay, therefore I will be what is given function? It is e raised to x square dy dx. Now y first. This strip touches, this is parallel to y-axis. Is what is its value? It touches to which curve? Y is equal to 0 and here what is y? Here y is equal to 3x. Okay, no, here this equation is x is equal to 3y, means y is equal to 1 upon 3x, and x varies from this to this, means 0 to 3. X varies from 0 to 3, and then we will solve this double integral. Okay, so let us solve. That is 0 to 3, integration with respect to y, e raised to x square constant, integration of dy is y, with limits 0 to x by 3 dx. So apply limit, integration 0 to 3, apply limit to y, so that will be x by 3 e raised to x square minus 0 into dx. Now you can see it is e raised to x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. So we can adjust 2x here, integration 0 to 3, 2x, to cancel this 2 we need to divide by 2, so it will be 6 e raised to x square dx. So its integration will be, which is equal to 1 upon 6 is constant, e raised to x square, its derivative is here, integration of this will be what? E raised to x square with limits 0 to 3. Now 1 upon 6, apply limit, e raised to 3 square, that is 9, minus 1 upon 6, e raised to 0, that is 1. So it is e raised to 9 by 6 minus 1 by 6. We can take 1 by 6 common. So our answer is 1 by 6 into e raised to 9 minus 1. Next example. Evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral 0 to, integration 0 to root pi, then y to root pi, cos of x square dx dy by reversing the order of integration. Okay, so we have to evaluate it by reversing order of integration. First we have to reverse. So let, what is I first? Let I is equal to 0 to root pi, y to root pi, cos of x square dx dy. What is region D? The region of integration D is bounded by the curves. Which curves? X is equal to y, x is equal to root pi, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to root pi. Now the value of root pi, if you will calculate it, its value is 1.77. Okay, now let us plot the graph. So x is equal to y, so the graph will be x, y. Y0 means x axis, then x is equal to y means this straight line. Okay, x is equal to root pi, its value is 1.77. Okay, suppose here is somewhere 1.77, here is somewhere 1.77. X is equal to root pi, y is equal to root pi, like this. Okay, and which will be our region? The region bounded by what? X is equal to y. Okay, then x is equal to root pi, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to root pi. Where we will get region? Now look at there, this line, this line, this line, this line. We get region over, we get this region. Okay, in given dx is first, we want dy first, so we will draw the strip parallel to y axis. Okay, and what are these points? This point is 0, 0. This point is what? X is equal to root pi, means this point will be what? Root pi comma 0. This point will be what? 0 comma root pi, and this point will be root pi comma root pi. Okay, this equation is y is equal to x, and this equation is y is equal to 0. X axis means y is equal to 0. Now in order to change order of integration, in order to change order of integration, we plot strip parallel to y-axis, because in given the strip considered as parallel to x-axis, we have to reverse it, so we draw the strip parallel to y-axis. Therefore I will be double integration. What is given function? Cos of x square dy dx. What are limits of y? This strip touches here to this curve. Its equation is y is equal to 0. To above it is y is equal to x, and for x its value is 0. Okay, and here its value is root pi, so 0 to root pi. Okay, and then we will solve it. So let us solve. Is equal to integration 0 to root pi, integration with respect to y, that is y. This cos of x square as it is, integration of dy is y, with limits 0 to x dx. Let us apply limit 0 to root pi. Apply limit x cos of x square minus 0 into dx. Okay, now you can see here cos of x square, and derivative of x square is 2x. Here is x, we can adjust 2x here. So let us adjust 0 to root pi 2x. To cancel this 2, take 1/2 cos of x square dx. Now its derivative is here, so its integration will be, which is equal to, this 1/2 is constant, integration of cos of this will be what? Sine of x square, because its derivative is present here, with limits 0 to root pi. After applying limit, what we get? 1/2 sine of, sorry, it is root pi. After applying limit, we get sine of root pi square, that is pi, minus 1/2 sine 0, that is 0 minus 0. So our answer is 0. Okay, so you can solve such type of examples, reverse the order, and then solve the integral. So take one example as a homework. Evaluate the integration 0 to 1 integration x to 1 e raised to x upon y dy dx by reversing the order of integration. So in given integral dy first, means it is considered that the strip is parallel to y-axis. We have to reverse it, means you will plot the graph and you will consider the strip parallel to x-axis, because we have to take dx first. Okay, so take this example as a homework. Let us solve another example. Evaluate the integral (0 to 8) cube root of y to 2 to e raised to x raised to 4 dx dy by reversing the order of integration. Okay, so first let I is equal to given integral 0 to 8 cube root of y to 2 e raised to x raised to 4 dx dy. Dx is first given, we have to reverse this, means we have to integrate with respect to y first, means we need to plot the graph in which we will plot the strip parallel to y-axis. So first let us plot the graph. For that we need the region. So the region of integration D is bounded by what? X is equal to cube root of y, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8. So let us plot this graph, and remember that we have to take the strip parallel to y axis because here is y letter. So first let us plot the graph. So this is x is equal to cube root of y, means y is equal to x cube, taking cube power. Okay, so let us plot the graph. Y is equal to 0, means this x-axis, y is equal to 0 means x-axis, x is equal to 2, let us consider it is 2, so it is 2, 4, 6, 8 somewhere here. Okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8, then x cube is equal to y. So this will be x cube is equal to y, xy. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is minus 1, y will be minus 1. So x0, y0, x1, y1, x minus 1, y minus. When x is minus 1, y will be minus 1, means suppose here is minus 1, then also y minus 1. So that will be, so when x is 0, y is 0. Suppose 1 is here, so when x is 1, y is 1 this point. When x is minus 1, suppose it is minus 1, y is minus 1. So this graph will be graph of y is equal to x cube will be like this. Okay, so we have to take which points, what is given to x, y0 means x-axis, y0, then y8, then x is equal to 2, and then this graph. So which will be our area of integration? This part. Okay, this middle part, this part will be our area of integration. Now we will take, in order to change the order of integration, we will take strip parallel to y-axis. So we will write, in order to change order of integration, we draw strip parallel to y-axis. Now this point is 0, 0. What will be this point? Here y is 8. It is intersection of y is 8. Then x is 2. Okay. So this point will be 2, 8. Okay. Now therefore I can be written as I is equal to double integration. Given function is e raised to x raised to 4 dy dx. Here x is equal to, strip touches here to x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0, and here strip touches to this. What is this equation? This curve is x is equal to cube root of y. Okay, right, this equation is x is equal to cube root of y. So what will be that? Sorry, here y is equal to, not x is equal to 0, dy. This strip touches to x-axis, means here y is equal to 0 to upper. This touches to this curve, and this is the equation of this curve. So from this, x cube is equal to y, means y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x cube. and limits of x from this to this. Okay, so x is 0 to x is equal to 2. Now let us solve it, which is equal to 0 to 2 integration with respect to y, e raised to x raised to 4 constant, integration of dy y with limits 0 to x cube dx. Now let us apply limits. Integration 0 to 2 e raised to x raised to 4 into x cube minus 0 into dx. You can see it is e raised to f of x. F of x is x raised to 4 and its derivative is 4x cube. From this x cube is there, we can multiply by 4. So let us do that adjustment. 0 to 4, x cube is there, let us multiply by 4, and for adjustment divide by 4. E raised to x raised to 4 dx. So its integration is 1 upon 4 constant. Integration of e raised to fx is e raised to fx, that is e raised to x raised to 4 with limits 0 to 2, that is 1 by 4. E raised to x raised to 4 with limit 0 to 2, that is 1 by 4. E raised to 2 raised to 4, that is e raised to 16 minus e raised to 0 is 1. Okay, this is our answer. 1 by 4 into e raised to 16 minus 1. Okay, so let us stop here, solve the examples given as a homework, and in next lecture we will solve the examples in which the double integration is solved by polar coordinates. Let's stop here. Thank you.